Hi guys! How are you doing? Today, I will show you how to reset the oil maintenance required light on the 2007 to 2024 Lexus ES. So when the engine oil needs to be replaced, a maintenance required light will appear on display. The maintenance interval must be reset after performing the service or oil change on your vehicle. So come with me and stay tuned. If you have a 2007 to 2012 Lexus ES 350, you can reset the maintenance light with the trip button on the instrument cluster. So let me show you how to do it. Step 1. Switch on the car without starting the engine by pressing the start button twice without touching the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the trip button on the cluster until you see the trip A on the screen. Step 3. Switch off the ignition. Step 4. Hold down the trip button as you press the start button twice, but ensure your foot is not on the brake pedal. Step 5. Continue to hold down the trip button until the maintenance light disappears and you're done. If you own a 2013 to 2015 Lexus ES 350, the reset procedure for the maintenance light is the same as with the previous generation, but there is a difference in the button placements. So let's walk through the process. Step 1. Press the start button twice to turn on your car without starting it up. Step 2. Hit the trip button on the left side of the steering column until you see the trip A on the cluster screen. Step 3. Press the start button once to turn off your car. Step 4. Press and hold the trip button, and then turn your car back on without starting it up. Step 5. Keep holding the trip button until the message disappears and you're done. In the newer generation of Lexus ES, you can reset the maintenance light through the instrument cluster and navigation display. So let me show you through the instrument cluster first. Step 1. Double-click the start button to turn on your car. Step 2. Hit the back button if you get a message, and it'll reach the main screen. Step 3. Scroll through that top menu area and find the settings menu by using the navigation button. Step 4. Scroll down until you get to vehicle settings and press OK. Step 5. Find and select schedule maintenance or oil maintenance. Step 6. Select yes to perform the maintenance data reset. As you know, the 2013 to 2024 Lexus ES has a navigation screen in the middle. You can use this display to reset the maintenance light. So follow these steps to do it. Step 1. Press the menu button on the center console to get the main menu. Step 2. Use the trackpad and get into the setup menu. Step 3. Select Vehicle. Step 4. Select Maintenance. Step 5. At this point, you can set a maintenance item at a specific interval or reset the current one in this menu. So that's it, and you're all done. The engine oil is very important, so make sure, guys, change your oil on time. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.